Hey guys, so quick video for you on how you can reset the red light on your Levoit Core Mini air purifier. So if you have it, what you want to do, I just looked here on manual, you need to replace the filter, and with the air purifier plugged in and the fan turned off, press and hold the control button for 3 seconds and it will blink 3 times and turn off when successfully reset. So then also the filter was changed before. With the air purifier plugged in and the fan turned off, press and hold the control button for 3 seconds, it will turn on. Press and hold the control button again for 3 seconds and it will blink 3 times and turn off when successfully reset. So even right here, open the filter compartment. First thing first, disconnect your device. Once they've proceeded, open the filter compartment. So this is the first thing. You want to remove the filter from the unit, like in this article. And that's what you want to do. Then change your filter and then hit reset. Hold down the filter change button for 3 to 5 seconds and the light should disappear. So this is how you're going to do it.